Aloha friends, it's Cindy from Stamped with Aloha and welcome back to part 3 of my Artisan sketched pop-up cards. In this third video and final video of the series, I'm going to share my favorite card of the bunch. So let's take a look at it first. So it looks like this. It's a birthday card. You've got a belly band on the front, and when you slide off the belly band and open it up, you can see all the black and white wonderful little squares on the little steps inside, with a nice sentiment there on the bottom for you, and then a little extra space there for you to sign your name. And so this is a really fun card and I can't wait to teach it to you. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to begin with a piece of basic black cardstock. This is 4 1/4 by 9 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and fold this in half, and using my bone folder, I'm going to score that. Okay, then I'm gonna have 2 pieces of 4 by 9 inches. So, and this is the Barely Blush two-tone cardstock. I'm gonna go ahead and get out my Simply Score tool, and we're gonna do some scoring on these. I'm gonna begin scoring at 1 1/2, and then 3, 4 1/2, 6, 7 1/2. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and do that a second time. Now that the scoring is done, I'm going to go ahead and accordion fold these 2 pieces of cardstock. All right, so now that I accordion folded them, I'm now going to glue them together. So I'm going to bring them together. I want the lighter side of the cardstock to show. So I'm going to put the light cardstock on the bottom here and the light cardstock on the top here. So I'm going to just go ahead and use my multi-purpose liquid glue. Glue that together here. Stretch that down and glue it to the bottom as well. Okay, so this is our pop-up mechanism that we're gonna now decorate with those little squares, but this will eventually get glued into the card right here and right there. And you can see that the steps are gonna open like that. Okay, for the next step, we're ready to adhere our designer series paper. So I have 14 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 pieces. And so I'm gonna speed things up and go ahead and add them side by side on each of these different rows. Okay, ready or not? Here I go. All right, so now all of the squares have been attached inside of our insert, and we're going to go ahead and take and add adhesive on the back here and glue it inside the card base. All right, okay, so now that that's in there, we are going to just add our sentiment. And so for our sentiment, I have a 3/4 inch by 3 inch piece of basic white, and I'm going to stamp "May your day be filled with love and happiness." And that is another one of the wonderful sentiments from the Phrases and Frames stamp set. We'll stamp that on the middle, and we'll go ahead and add some adhesive. And then glue that right here at the bottom. Okay. So this card is nice and thick, and so this is definitely a card where we want to add a belly band. And so I have a piece of the two-tone cardstock, and for this one I'm going to have the darker side show. This is a 1 1/2 inch by 10 1/2, and we're going to take and we're going to wrap it around. And when you do a belly band, you want to make sure that it loosely wraps. You don't want to pull it super tight. I also want to pay attention to where the the two sides are joining together. So I want it to be central over here so that it will be hidden under whatever focal point I put on the card. So that looks like a pretty good loose fit. I'm not squeezing it too tight. You can see there's a little gap right there. And so I'm just gonna pinch it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna take and place some adhesive here, and we'll go ahead and just glue those together like so. Now, another thing I like to do with the belly band, once I have it kind of glued in place with the liquid glue, is I like to just give it a little extra security by taking our dimensionals and placing the dimensionals on the seam, and that will just help to hold everything in there nice and tight. All right, we're gonna just put that to the side for a minute, and for the focal point here, I'm gonna take this black cardstock that's been embossed with the Fern and Flora, and this size is 2 3/4 by 3 3/4, and then I'm mounting it to a 3x4 piece of Barely Blush. Okay, so that is there. Now that's gonna get attached with the dimensionals that are already there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add another dimensional on here because this is a big piece. And so I wanna make sure it's extra secure. So I'll take off the backing. And then I'm gonna go ahead and center this onto the front of my card. Perfect. All right, we have one final sentiment to stamp. And so I'm getting out my ink, and on this little 3/4 by 2 1/4 of Barely Blush, I'm gonna stamp the sentiment, happiest birthday wishes. I just love this stamp set. I'm telling you, it stamps so clean. It's one of my top new favorite ones. Okay, so my sentiment is done, and I'm gonna take the flowers and I'm going to add dimensionals behind. And then I'm gonna mount that right in the middle here. And then I'll take the banner, and I'm gonna place dimensionals on the edge of this little pink banner. And then I'm gonna stretch that over the flower arrangement. And now we're ready to add our embellishments. So for this one, because it's got that black background, we can go ahead and use the very Barely Blush ones that will really pop on the black cardstock. So we have a large, a small, and then one more large one up here. Okay, so here is the version that is not colored, and that just slides off. And again, you open up your card like that. And then if you'd rather have a pop of color, just use your shimmer brushes, and you can add a little bit of coloring onto the focal point image right there, and you will have a really pretty colorful shimmery bouquet of flowers for your birthday card. All right, well, that completes the 3 cards in the series. Thank you so much for taking the time to follow along with me and create these pop-up cards with me. I hope you had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun sharing them with you. Be sure to leave a comment after the video and let me know if you're gonna color them or if you're gonna leave them black and white. I hope you have a happy and blessed day. Until next time, aloha.